Aw, buddy, yeah. Time to do something fun today. Oh, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna go see some caverns. Yeah. You wanna come along? Oops. Drop something. All right. It's ready to go. Are you ready? Woo! I am walking to the Marianna Caves, the Florida Caverns. That's the state park I'm at, and they're known obviously for their caverns. As I mentioned in a previous video, it's a little ways away from the actual RV campsite. So I get a little hike in to the caverns. Then I think it's about 45 minutes inside the caverns walking around. So today's gonna be a really good hike, but more importantly, I get to see some of the beautiful state park and what they're known for, obviously their caverns. So let's go check this one out. Obviously the caverns are what this state park is really known for, but there are over 1,300 acres of a state park to explore. So the hike so far to the place where the road intersects and you go down to the cave from the RV site is about a half hour, 32 minutes, a little over that on a hike. Still not sure how far it's going to be to the caves, but this is how you get there if you don't have a car or a tow vehicle when you're RVing. So after a little hike, you arrive at the front of the caverns, you check in, get a ticket, and get ready for the tour.
You know what it's like when you go into a cavern, you want to touch something. So there's one place in there you are allowed to touch, one formation. I'll point it out to you.
It's pretty cool getting ready to go down into the caverns. You start up top, walk down, get inside. You have to hunch down a little bit, you got to squat, but it's beautiful once you start taking that tour, about 45 minutes. Now, each of the individual rooms have nicknames based on the formations kind of in the rooms. One even has the stuff dripping down. They call it bacon, and it kind of looks like it as well.
So they call this room the wedding room.
This is what I'm talking about. You can see he shines a light through it. That's what they're calling the bacon.
See, light actually shines through it. Now make no mistake, this is rock, and it's not thin either. It's about ½ an inch thick. These are made out of the same thing as the stalactites and stalagmites are, which is a mineral called calcite. For years, water was running down this wall.
Pretty cool so far. Anytime you have bacon, you know it's good. Bacon. Kevin was a great tour guide, gave us a lot of information about everything. This park actually started about 38 million years ago when sea levels were much higher, and it just has developed into this, which is outstanding to see. All right, I gotta show you the part that they call Jabba the Hutt. How appropriate is this for me? They have a room with a configuration that looks like Jabba the Hutt. It really does look like Jabba the Hutt, doesn't it? Pretty cool.
And they knew about the two ends of this cavern, but they were just little two small rooms is all they knew about. Well, they sent the chief engineer for the National Park Service, a guy by the name of Oliver.
There was one spot inside that you could touch and do a little more with, and I, of course, did the more.
You are welcome to touch it, if you dare. Take pictures of it. Some people like to hug it. All right, hey, don't laugh. The first 3 years I was here, the only ones who would lick this thing were teenage boys. 2 years ago, for the first time, some teenage girls did.
Yeah, don't lick it.
Yeah.
Please don't lick it.
So you know this adult guy, yeah, I had to lick it. Yeah.
What a tour inside, absolutely beautiful. The limestone caves with stalagmites and stalactites and flowstones. This was all dug out as part of the New Deal with the Civilian Conservation Corps, and it opened back in 1942. Absolutely fantastic.
And there you go. The Florida Caverns tour, absolutely fantastic. Kevin did a great job. Gonna stop at the gift shop, pick up a couple of things, but hope you like the tour. Just one of the many things you can do in Florida at a great state park.